Hello friends, I Shiv Prasad Kara welcoming you all to my channel MSK Civil Engineering Tutorial. Here we will discuss on the topic GATE 2021. As we all know that each and every year some IITs and IISSs are conducting GATE exam. This year IIT Bombay preparing GATE 2021, and like other exams like CAT, GATE does not change its pattern and its syllabus, question pattern, etc. each and every year. But this year some changes are there. We will discuss on that changes, that is some eligibility criteria, exam pattern, how many papers a student can attempt, revised syllabus for civil engineering student at last. Based on last year syllabus, I have just compared the syllabus and prepared for its civil engineering students so that you guys can geniusly crack the exam. So friends, if you are new to my channel, just subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for future notification. And if you are new to my channel, if you are my so let us start our discussion. GATE 2021 paper is conducted by IIT Bombay, and the paper will be conducted for 27 subjects, and a student can apply one or up to two, any of the one paper or up to two number of paper he or she can apply, and she or he can apply only the combination given in table 4.2a, and one paper will be your primary paper and second paper will be your secondary paper. If this pandemic of COVID-19 will continue like this, then the exam will be shifted or postponed. If as usual the pandemic is over, then the GATE will be conducted on February month. Coming to next, what are the primary paper and what are their secondary papers? This left side is your primary paper and the right sides are the secondary papers. For example, for civil engineering students, they can apply AR and ES branch paper, and a student can apply only for the combination given on the table 4.2a, and the fees for the paper will be coordinated by GATE 2021 during their application form. Examination fee, there is no such change in the examination fee, and the crucial dates are there in the right side table. The application form is going to be start on Monday 14 September, and closing date regular online registration is Wednesday that is 30th September 2020, and the extended date for the online application, that is 7th October 2020, and the exam is as usual in 2021 February. If the COVID-19 situation is handled, then the exam will be in February month. If the COVID-19 is not under control, then the exam will be postponed or shifted. And for NRI students, this exam will be for the NRI student, the exam they can appear or not, GATE will be decided on the month November. Coming to next, the exam cities for GATE 2021. The exam cities are mentioned in the table number 4.3 and there a student can choose 4 exam cities. Out of 3 is on which he is applying. IIT board means under the IIT board he is applying or she is applying. 3 center will be there and 1 center will be from other IITs he can choose. Okay, next eligibility year students and final year students can pre-final students can apply, so that their accuracy in the exam can be developed. And as usual, the higher year means final year students and pass out students, they can also apply. Then coming to next question pattern, there we previously knows that our question pattern is like two type pattern, MCQ and NAT type. This year a new pattern launched, that is MSQ type. We will discuss on it on later. First of all, discussion on MCQ type question. This type of question having 4 options and only one is the correct answer. Based on the section you are attempting, there will be your mark awarded, that is either 1 mark or 2 mark. And in MCQ type question there is negative marking based on the type of question you are attempting. If 1 mark question you are attending, then 1/3 mark will be deducted. If 2 mark question you are attending, then 2/3 mark will be deducted. Then coming to MSQ type question, that is multiple select questions. This type of question is same as MCQ type question. The only exception is that here more than one option will be correct and there will be no negative marking. You have to choose the correct combination of the answer for awarding full mark. And there is also not such partial marking. If you are next part, that is numerical answer type. This type we all know that the questions are 1 mark or 2 mark and there is a virtual keyboard. We have to enter the answer there in decimal or in number, and there will be mentioned that like this is an NAT type question or MCQ type or MSQ type question. Next, a example of MSQ type question. Find the shear force and bending moment for a simple sorted beam of length 6 meter and a central point load of 10 kilonewton. If we are calculating the answers, the shear force will be 5 kilonewton and bending moment will be 15 kilonewton. So we have to choose option A and B as our correct answer. We have to choose option A and B our correct answer to get the full mark on that question. If we are choosing option A and D as our correct answer, we will awarded as 0 for that question. Without selecting the correct combination, we will get 0 mark. Next, mark distribution. There is no such change in mark distribution, except there is some paper they decided to restrict the engineering mathematics to 13 marks, means 13% mark will be carried by engineering mathematics and other things remains constant. In general aptitude part is by your visibility or your vision, the question will be correct or the correct answer for the question. Here is some examples for the spiral type aptitude. Then first example is a rectangular sheet of length 6 meter and 6 cm and breadth 4 cm is coiled to form an open cylinder shape P such that the breadth side meet. The same sheet can also be coiled to form a cylinder shape Q such that the length side can meet. Means in first part breadth side meet, in second part length side meet. Which one of the following statement is correct? Your correct answer will be option 2. Volume P and volume Q are equal so that the length and breadth side can meet. If we analyze the question by our vision, then we can analyze the correct answer. Like paper folding, we have already attended this type question in SSC JEE reasoning part. Here is a example of mirror image type question. Next, coming to last part, our syllabus in civil engineering, which part are added, which part are removed. In solid mechanics, there is a small topic added, that is transportation of stress. In construction management, CPM and building material, there is more number of topic removed, that is brick, mortar, timber, bitumen, tendering and construction contract, rate analysis and standard specification. In structural analysis, RCC and steel, there is no such changes in syllabus. In irrigation, topic removed, that is headwork, types of irrigation system, irrigation method, water logging, drainage, canal regulatory work, outlet and escapes. Next, in environmental engineering, some papers are removed from that, like noise pollution, wastewater. From topic wastewater, unit operation and unit process of domestic wastewater removed, and added topic, that is reuse of treated sewage for different operation, sewage system design, water quality index. These topic are added. Friends, this is my channel MSK Civil Engineering Tutorial. If you think that my channel is useful to you, then subscribe my channel and share with your friends so that they can inform about it. Then next topic is your transportation engineering. The added topic is desirable properties of bituminous paving mixes, and removed topics are highway alignment, engineering survey, origin destination study, parking study, concrete pavement, level of service, etc. And in geomatics engineering, the removed topic is GPS. And in geotechnical engineering, which is a great paper for scoring in GATE, your added topic is shear strength of soil, pile under lateral loading, negative skin friction, and your removed topics are origin of soil, soil structure, fabrics, Darcy's law, methods of slice, Westergaard theory, and types of soil. And in fluid mechanics, added topic is water structure profile, and removed topics are from hydraulics, kinetics of flow, velocity triangle, basic hydraulic machine, specific speed of pump and turbine. Next, thank you friends for viewing my channel. If you are really preparing for GATE, then take the screenshots of last 3 pages of your revised syllabus so that you can prepare genuinely and get good score on GATE. Thank you for viewing my channel. Share my channel with your friends so that they can also know about it.